Hi everyone, it's Charity from Brand Expert. Now, have you ever wondered the difference between brand marketing partnership and brand marketing collaboration? If you have, you're in the right place. Many brands mix these two strategies, but they have different purpose and they create different impacts. So today, I will be breaking it down with real-life examples from major brands. So if you're in marketing, you own a business, or love seeing brands team up in cool ways, keep watching. Now, what's the difference? Let's start from the basics. A brand marketing partnership is a long-term relationship between two brands working together towards shared goals. Now, think of it as a strong business marriage. It's not just about one campaign, but about consistent collaboration over a period of time. On the other hand, a brand marketing collaboration is short-term. It's a short-term creative project. Brands come together for a specific product or a campaign or an event. It's more like an exciting creative fling